No sign, we be staying up all night, trying to work it.
Hey, welcome back. So today I am doing a little tutorial slash first impressions on the Pac-Man and Wet n Wild collection, also on some new lip glosses by Alamari Cosmetics. I will be trying them on. I will be speeding through the eye part just so that you guys can kind of get the gist. But overall, I will review everything at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. So make sure you grab a snack because this is going to be a little bit of long. Let's get to playing. First of all, we are going to start off with the brows, and I'm just going to do my normal routine. So I am just setting it again with my Benefit 24-hour brow setter. Then I am going to continue onto my face. I'm going to apply this Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood filter and then the Juvia's Place foundation. And I'm just trying to get the complexion out of the way just so we can move on into the actual tutorial or review. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am doing a little toot with the Pac-man. I'm sorry for the super zoom. My other lens broke, so we are working with this. So what this is, it's the Pac-Man collection. We've got a little bit of everything. So I did already do my face because I do want to use these products. And we've got some little brochitas. Oh, we got two brochitas. And we have some nail polish. Damn. So bright. Let's get started with the ojos. I'm gonna kind of speed through it so that I can see what I'm working with, and then I'll do one eye and then I'll come back to the other one. Alright, so we kind of got what I kind of want to do down. I'm actually going to now show you guys what it is that I'm doing. So I am going to go into this shade right here, Mr. Little Orange Naranjado right here, and I am going to place him on the outer and inner part of the eye. So I'm gonna do a halo, in other words. Imagine I just got like this, like, sup dude? What's poppin'? My eyeshadow. Just kidding. So yeah, after I place that one, we're gonna go with Mr. Little Rosita. We're gonna place that on the inner and outer corner again. So now we look crazy. So I'm gonna just take a fluffy brush, just any fluffy brush, and then just kind of blend the edges out so it won't look too crazy. So on the actual lid itself in the middle, I'm gonna go in with, oh, fuck, this one right here, which is a super metallic-y, glittery, whatever you want to call it. Going all out and crazy with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the eyes and I'll be right back. Since my camera decided to die on me, we are gonna use my iPhone. That just comes to show you gotta work with what you got. Continuing with the face products of the Pac-Man collection, I am gonna go in with this palette that is super cute. It's called the High Score Blush Palette. This is the reason why I got the collection, honestly. I'm a sucker for blushes and bronzers. Complexion products are my absolute favorite products out of all the products ever. We're gonna go in with the 100 to 500. And we're gonna swirl that. Oh, just kidding. This is a blush palette. But for bronzer, the collection does come with a bronzer. This is what it looks like. Super duper cute. It's sealed. Thanks. Should have probably opened it before. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into the product with my Fenty brush. So I'm actually gonna go into that. Don't mind my little baby. He's sleeping. So let's see how it works. Okay. It's nice, but I feel like I get it. Like, I would use this if I was just going to bronze up my face. Definitely use it. But I like a little bit more of a what do you call it, gray toned bronzer. So let's go ahead and, oh yes, way better. So I could see myself using that one, but when I really want to like just bronze yourself, so I mean it's a bronzer obviously, but I wouldn't really use it for just by itself. I would probably go in with this Makeup Geek one. Now for the fun part, the brush. I absolutely love Wet n Wild brushes. They're like they're super affordable and they're always good, like super good. Like, I'm serious, like some of these brushes that I already have out here, I used one of the Wet n Wild brushes earlier, and they're one of my favorite ones, and they're super affordable. Like like these eye ones, I buy them at Dollar Tree. This is like what dreams are made of, honestly. Like, I remember going to the laundromat and playing Pac-man. I never won, but that's all I got. So anyway, look at this brush. This is like so cute, and look at this color. If you haven't noticed, neons are in. So now I'm gonna go in with this one, and let's see how that one looks. Oh yes. Okay, this new favorite blush palette. Yes. And just to put a little bit more blush, this pink one. Ooh, yes. Might have gone overboard, but who cares? There's no rules in makeup. No rules at all. It came with these two products. One is a lip scrub and the other one's a lip balm. For sure we'll be keeping these because gold. Oh, there we go. I had to dig a little bit deeper. Yes. This cherry. This is so cute. I am for sure gonna be using this like all the time. So I'm gonna go back into the palette really quick just so that I can use the brush. So I'm gonna use a little bit of the Rosita, my little friend over here. Now we're gonna go into Mr. Pac-Man here. Oh, I'm gonna go into Dulce, which is a super pretty nude. This is beautiful. Oh my god. This is actually the color like when it came in my BoxyCharm. And this combo is bomb. Last but not least, I am going to go in with Girl Lactic Moonlight Skin Glow Duo. Just gonna take a dual fiber brush, go into this side over here, and glow myself up. You can also apply it with your hands if you feel like getting more of a extreme glow. So that wraps it up. This favorite part, I have to say, has to be the palette and the blush palette, because blush is my weakness, and also because these colors are like super bright. So that's an A+ as well. Also the Alamar Las Desnudas lipsticks. I think this might be my new favorite lip combo. Dulce is so pretty and you can use it every day. But yeah, overall I feel like I liked everything that I've tried today. So yeah, hope you guys liked my video. Please make sure to follow me if you did. If you didn't, that's cool. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos. Yeah.
It ain't working, we not gonna do it. But you got it, man.